where he used to check his, he was about 76 years, 70, 80 years old. He used to check his acetone levels every now and then with absolutely no other problem. There was no history of diabetes, no history of thyroidism, everything. But somehow his ketone bodies, maybe he had a family history of renal disease in the family. So he kept on having a higher level of acetone bodies. So this was, we tried Apis, Berberis and all those different, even eel serum was tried, but we didn't get any relief. Then finally we came across this medicine, and from then on he's still under the medication, but at least it's come down. With Senna, acetonemia levels have come down. Strangely, he's not diabetic, so we still don't know why he has those problems. Hepatic sulfuris. There was another lady patient who had urticaria. Basically, the urticaria was aggravated when she used to go near the stove and when she used to go out in the sun. So, belladonna, glonine, natriumur, again, everything was tried. Still, we didn't find so much improvement. Then, when I was just reading, in fact, she was a hot patient. She was not a chilly patient. So, but still, we thought we'll try. And after this, touchwood, she never had any problems for 6 months. Just a single dose of Heparsol. It could even be, maybe, Organon, Dr. Hahnemann says that Heparsol also is used to finish the case. So it could even be because of that, or somehow it just worked very well on her. Mind, the 200 potency for a week or so was given. Cocculus, interestingly, was used in inguinal/umbilical hernia because of the symptoms here. Pain in abdominal ring as if something were forced through. Abdominal muscles weak. It seems as if a hernia would take place. Now, I didn't know all the symptoms when I was studying homeopathy, but as we gradually read, we come across these symptoms. I've given it to a patient. I'm yet to see how it works. And the last medicine. The cyclamen, we used to use it in eye troubles, problems with diplopia, flickering vision, etc. And again, I think in repertory it is there. What happened, there was one neighbor who was pregnant and she was the 3rd trimester. So his hiccups were giving her quite a problem and she was scared it will lead to abortion or premature delivery and all that. But somehow 2-3 doses of this also stopped the problem, and it's only medicines like this. We never come across these medicines unless until we read them. So so hiccup during a pregnancy, cyclamen had proved quite effective. I hope it was quite informative. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.